Hey guys, what's up? So I just got my drone. It's really crazy. I just opened up the box. Like I said, the box is a little already damaged, so I hope nothing's wrong with it. But yeah. This is crazy. Looks dope. Look at that. I mean, the box looks a little weird, but it's cool. Came with this. I don't know what that is. And it came with, oh my, I forgot. It's 128 gigabyte. So I don't have to buy anything else. So that's cool about the bundle. This thing is like heavy duty, bro. Like, that's crazy. So it has a top tray and a bottom tray. I don't know what goes in the bottom one, but we'll see. Okay, so on the bottom one, the chargers and the cables and stuff. Well, that's cool. So I'm assuming this is a cable bag, which is kind of cool that it brings. Oh, actually, this isn't the cable. I don't know what these are for. Probably for this, but this is a little landing pad. That's kind of cool. Polar Pro filters, they look super dope. Cool. Here's a little extra bag that, I mean, I might use it, but I like the big case. So that's kind of cool. Oh, and in here are other stuff. Extra propellers. This is a strap for the bag. Extra battery. Extra battery. Propeller guard. I'm not exactly sure what this is. So this is just an additional thing to protect the drone from hitting people or hitting things. So it's like a little bit bigger. It makes the drone a little bit, like the radio is a little bit bigger. But I'm not sure about using these. That's not the reason I bought this. I bought this mostly for the hard case and the Polar Pro filters. There's that. You didn't know? Oh, so we place it down, open it up, take this out, and here it is. It's actually kind of heavy. It already has these on, these propellers. I think I'm supposed to put the other two on. Or actually, the other ones are down here. So that's kind of cool. So it just comes ready. And then the battery is right up here. Let me see. Battery remove button. So let me take this out. So much stuff. That's crazy. And I guess all I have to do is just unfold that one, unfold that, and unfold that. And boom. And this is the battery. You just hold it down to take it off. I'm not sure if it's this side or the other side. There we go. Cool. Yeah, so right now the battery is at 1, so I might have to charge it. I didn't see a charger yet, but I'm assuming it's in here, so let me put this stuff away. I'm gonna leave it with the plastic things on for now. And it's cool, they just kind of slide in. That's cool. Alright. Here's the charger. So I'm gonna charge all my batteries today. It looks pretty weird. So you just plug this in. I'm assuming there's also a USB connection if you wanted USB. I don't know why you would, because it's kind of slow, but it's cool, you got options. More propellers. This might be to update the drone if I have to. I'm not sure if there's any other. Actually, I'm not gonna play with stuff until I know what's what. And I know this is to take off the gimbal to see the. But I'm not gonna mess with it because I still don't know. Yeah, so these are the instructions. Disclaimer and safety instructions. So I'm gonna read these beforehand. And the last part is the controller. Your phone goes here. These are the antennas. This is to control it. It's powering up. That's at 89%. Oh, okay, so I'm assuming this has batteries? Or it doesn't require batteries. And then you just charge it with the USB. That's cool, so you don't need batteries for this. It has these little buttons. This is to change the camera, I'm assuming. That's to take pictures, and that's for video, I'm assuming. I don't know what A and B do, but cool. Alright guys, so probably gonna do my first flight either tomorrow, depending if it's raining, or I will do it Thursday. So we'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna read the manuals and stuff just to make sure I don't do anything stupid. But yeah. This is probably gonna be a longer video, but yeah. Anyways, peace for now.